Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page to design the business card. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select insert format. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type at 3.5. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type at 2. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type at 300. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool. Then drag this in here. Then select this. Then double click on here. Then select the red color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select the pen tool again. Then click on here. Then click on here and draw a curve. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here. Then press and hold the space key. Then drag this in here. Then press and hold the Alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, 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 and here. Then click on the fill. Then select the blue color. Then select this and drag this under this layer. Then select the pen tool from here. Then click on here. Then click on here. Then draw a curve. Then press and hold again. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt. Then click on here, 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 and here. Then click on the fill. Then click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to click on the background layer. Then unlock this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the color overlay. Then select black color from here. Then click on the OK. OK. Now you have to lock this layer. After that, you have to select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then select liner gradient from here. Then click on here. Then click on the orange. Then you have to select this color. Then you have to select this. Then click on the color. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then click on the color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then drag this in here. Then click on here. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then click on the color again. Then you have to select this color. Then click on the OK. And drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then click on the delete. Then click on the OK. OK. Now you have to select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the drop shadow. Then you have to drag this in here. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. So now we have to select the shape tool from here. Then have to right click on here. Then have to select the rounded rectangle tool. Then have to draw this shape in here. Then click on the fill. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then drag this in here. Then click on here. Then select this color. Then select the move tool. Then select this and press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this. Then select these layers. Then decrease the size of these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to open the icons to set in the business card. So I am opening the icons from my laptop. After open the icons, we have to set these icons in our business card. After that, you have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then select copy layer style. Then select this, then right click on this, then click on the paste layer style. After that, you have to write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am paste the text in here. After that, you have to set the text in here. After that, you have to select this, then press and hold on key, then take a copy from this. Then select the shape tool, then select rounded rectangle tool from here, then draw this shape in here. Then click on here, then select this color from here, then select the move tool, then drag this in here, then select this and press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this, then click on the tick mark. After that, we have to open our logo, so I am opening my logo from my laptop. Then you have to select this and press and hold Alt key, then take a copy from this, then double click on here, then write your company name in here. Then select this, then drag this in here. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set the business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my laptop. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then I have to back to the project. Then I have to select all the from here. Then I have to drag these layers in here. Then I have to set the business card in here. Then I have to press Ctrl+ S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.